Hello, this is Jerome Surly, and today I'm going to share to you the stamps that I bought from the Philippine Post Office. So come, let's get close and let's have fun. So I really like yung mga ganito kasi ginagamit ko siya sa post crossing. Lagi ako naubusan ng 1 peso, so hopefully marami akong magkasya na siya. Then these are the plazas which I really like. Wonderful, isn't it? I-share ko to individually. Yeah. Tapos ito, Station of the Cross. Possibility gagamitin ko to sa post crossing. Dito De La Salle. Nagandahan lang ako sa picture niya. Maganda to sa post crossing. Gagamitin ko yan lahat. And then lastly, this one. Magkakaroon ako ng individual vlog about this one. So sa ngayon, yun muna. And bye for now.